Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlog. Yes, I am shaved for the summer and shaved in the face. I shave this once every 3 months. I don't really grow a full beard. I only shave when if it bothers me. I only shave my head in the summer when it gets really hot. Helps out a lot, I would say. But my turtle miss being loved in many ways. The tank will be cleaned again on Saturday. I clean it once a week. For it, we'll be doing a lot of stuff. I've been putting a lot of Age of Sigmar. Stormbringer stuff. This is what I got so far. All the D&D stuff that's 3D printed, it's overloaded, and I'm ready to paint them soon. But Age of Sigmar, we have a lot. We have a lot of them. We have some over here. They got some buried in there. I gotta put that together as my case. There used to be a box here that had the dragon from Stormbringer. There's another Stormbringer here too. This one's for the paint. I like, paints. Paints are expensive, but I got, a lot of Citadel paints for really. It's cheaper to buy it on the Stormbringer if there's a paint that you really want for it. In many ways, people want updates. The baby sparrow did pass away. Just letting you guys know. I did not make it through the night, and it broke my heart. I was kind of depressed for a while. I really don't like animal passing away, especially in my care. It's just that the wildlife conservation just too far away from here for me to drive and send it. But we think it was already sick to begin with. When the baby bird's sick, the mom will push it off the nest. It happens in many ways. But yeah, school started. This is my second week, and I am so exhausted. It's just that I have to wake up so early in the morning. I'm not really used to waking up early in the morning every freaking day, but like 5:30, 6:30 in the morning, walk the dog, feed the fish, if you give coffee medication, pack my lunch, go to school, drop my mom off depending on the days, drop my mom off and go to school, come back home at 4:30. I'm exhausted because I'm standing for a certain amount of time that I shouldn't, but good thing there's a chair behind me if I have to sit while I'm machining. But it's fun. After summer, then we got the fall, then I have one class left in the spring of next year, and it should be pleasant in many ways. I just can't wait for this shit to be done, and I'm going to probably think about going for my bachelor's degree for engineering, and I got to figure out how I'm going to get the funds for that in many ways. It's just that college is ridiculously expensive. I probably used up all my GI Bill once I get it in many ways for it. We ordered in 8 bottles of 3 kilogram resin each, and another 10 kilograms of PLA spool. Different colors this time because I want to try to print an actual bust in the in my Anycubic Cobra 2. I want to dial down and see how much detail I can get it. Then I want to try spray resin and sand it so you get smooth. If I can get that just right, I can probably print a life-size figure. What the figure is, I have no idea. Where I'm going to put it, I have no freaking idea too in many ways. It's just one of those things I want to try at least once. The Lady Devimon, Ashley's already painting finally. Hopefully be done by the end of this week because I do want to display it and make a short out of it in many ways for it. But I gotta, I keep dropping my freaking phone. I need to move all of these into the garage. I need space. I might do a giveaway for these, except for those two. Those two I paid out of pocket. Those two I printed. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, all that I printed. I might give it away, long as you guys want to play shipping for it and the packaging. And we probably do that, do a raffle for it, because I don't really make money off of any of these stuff. We have a ship that I'm gonna get a copper wire. I do have copper wire somewhere that I'm going to actually break and drill it all the way through. I'm going to use a drill press at the school using less torque, so I can break it or split it and hollow, hopefully able to hollow the inside of it. We'll test that out. I know that I cannot vise it down too hard or I'll break the resin. It's one of those things I'm going to have to play around with in many ways. It's not fun. Metals, working with metals, one thing. Working with resin, it is. Depending on what type of resin you have. And I buy the cheap shit because, you know, it works for what I need to do. And it just display and I play it for my games. So I don't spend the $60 per kilogram that you could bend it and chuck it across the freaking room. Just one of those things. Oh, we have Angel. Hey Angel, say hi. Yeah. Angel says hi. Send her some treats. That's what she wants. Yeah, Angel, I know. Let me pick you up. She went underneath the aquarium. Oh, you know, but other than that, I think it's good. It's one of those things that you got to figure out. I got to put these in, varnish this, and put this in the garage as well. I have a lot of stuff I can put in the garage. Oh yeah, we did the IUI the second time. So we wait another a week and a half to find out if Ashley's pregnant and or I'm going to become a dad in many ways. But we'll find out. We'll find out if that ever happens. But I do need to buy a better airbrush though. Ruby's doing good. She's huge. Very rough, especially on me. Sucks that she doesn't like water, especially outside. So I had to put pads down because it's going to rain all week in South Carolina. Well, anyhow, enough of me rambling. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.